Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering on the Chromebook and plugging in the charger if battery is low. This prevents interruptions during setup. Next, connect to the school Wi-Fi or a secure hotspot so updates can download. Once connected, sign in with your school Google account. This syncs settings, apps, and files. Make sure to accept any needed permissions and enroll the device if prompted by the school. That enables management policies and ensures the Chromebook is ready for classroom use. After login, open Chrome and verify sync is active so bookmarks, extensions, and passwords restore. Then install required apps. Use the Play Store for Android apps or the Chrome Web Store for extensions. Your school may push certain apps automatically, so check the launcher. Once apps are in place, move important documents to Google Drive and create folders for classes. Pin the most used apps to the shelf for quick access. Also adjust display brightness, keyboard, and accessibility settings to match your workflow. Finish by testing core tasks. Open a Google Doc, join a class meeting, and try printing to confirm peripherals work. Once done, enable automatic updates and set a secure screen lock or guest mode rules based on school policy. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fixes first. Restart the Chromebook and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If audio, camera, or profile issues persist, recheck permissions in settings. Only perform a power wash, factory reset, after consulting IT, because that erases local data and requires re-enrollment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.